even know where we're at? Yeah, I don't either. What's going on, guys? Today we're gonna head out to Croom's. We got our 2 bikes in the back and I'm here with Angelina. It's gonna be a good day. It's a little windy and kind of crappy outside, but hopefully the weather gets better. Should be a good day. Angelina went out here yesterday. Do you want to tell them about that a little bit, baby?
Yeah, we rode quads yesterday, so today we're doing a little bit of cross training. We're gonna ride some bikes and get some more practice in, so you'll see what a day of quad riders riding dirt bikes looks like. Crazy, right? I know, but we'll get a little cross training out there and hopefully it's nice. Yesterday it was pretty warm. I think the high was like 70 something, and once the sun came out it was pretty hot, but today the high is even higher than that. It's like 83, I think, so it should be a nice warm day once the sun really comes out, so it should be good. It's dusty out there, it's sandy, but you'll all see that all in the following clips. So
yep, so we're upgrading from our couch to a seesaw, so but yeah, let's get it.
no trees behind us, please.
Yeah, no, last time I destroyed my tailgate.
Yeah.
Insert a picture right here.
Backed into a tree. We're geared up, bikes are unloaded, and we're about to go for our first round of motos. We just have to put the gas in the bike, and then, yeah, let's get it. You'll see some footage of what the trails look like today.
We're gonna test out this chin mount that I got. I ordered this on Amazon as a kind of a cheap chin mount, but we're gonna try it out because normally in my videos I record with a chest protector. Don't tell anybody, but I forgot my chest protector today, so. But anyways, we're gonna try this out and see how it does. So
yeah, hopefully it's a good angle. So.
Nice, you're doing good. Yeah. You good? Oh, okay, let me help you out. You good? All right. You good?
Yeah.
This is a pretty technical single track where you found.
Yeah, a little bit for me.
I mean, definitely, it's like rutted out. Like I almost fell on that turn back there. It's like so deep. I'm like, shit. Yeah, you can tell people have been through here a lot. Okay, cool. Well, I guess we can keep going then. Do you even know where we're at? Yeah, I don't either. Woo! Windy. That was fun. No, you did great. I think that was a pretty good pace you were going at. Alright, so we just did the first 16 minutes of riding out here at Croom's. We had one tumble, unfortunately.
You'll see it featured on the video. We're in a tight trail. It's a little hard to get through there. Some ruts and berms, and not really comfortable in the sand, and all Florida is sand. So.
Luckily, it wasn't too bad of a fall. But like she was saying, we were like in this very technical section. Technical section of like single track. So like you can tell guys have been through there many times. But I mean, overall, pretty good. A lot of whoops on the way down, obviously, but this is Croom, so that's to be expected. I'm feeling pretty comfortable on the YZ. You know, I'm getting a little bit comfortable with the power band and stuff like that. So especially on the whoops. But yeah, how do you feel on your bike, babe?
I feel pretty good. Obviously, when you take a tumble, I think you get a little nervous afterwards every time. So I get a little nervous in sand areas, but it's a nice windy day, easy breezy, beautiful. Got my hand guards a little loose. But yeah, I think overall, I'm getting more and more comfortable each time I ride. So. And I like that I can reach the ground on this bike. So.
Yeah. Awesome. So right now we just made it to the sand pit. Probably gonna ride around a little bit, maybe do a little montage, and then head back into the trail. So yeah, let's get it.
Alright, so we just went out for 2 rounds of riding, and we decided to call it.
Sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt. It's like a vintage bike. It looks so cool. Anyways.
But yeah, we just rode around. We probably did maybe like 15 miles or so, give or take. I'd say. Not too much. Nothing too crazy. It's almost 1. So we're packing up. We're going to load up the bikes and head out, probably grab some drinks and food or something. Yeah, it was a good ride day. Obviously, we'll clip some of the footage. Like I said, I did take a tumble, so that was something. I think I was scared for pretty much everything after that. It's really sandy out there. We haven't gotten much rain down here in Florida, so not quite mint condition tracks as we would prefer. But yeah, it was still a good time. We got to ride with some friends, so hopefully, you know, we keep training, keep cross training, and yeah.